Today in this video, we are going to check image generation with the help of Wan 2.2. What you see in front of you are some of the images created by the Wan 2.2 video model. As you can see, this image of a Simpson standing in a street shows just how impressive the quality is. The details of the objects in the background and even the reflection on the body of the Simpson from the streetlight are just amazing. Here is another example, this image of a woman. Look at this image, it looks so realistic, almost like a photo shoot. No one can tell if this is AI generated. Wan 2.2 is uncensored, so you can create any image you want. You can even generate images based on whatever you imagine. I know what is going on in your mind when you read the title Uncensored Image Generation with Wan 2.2. You can try that on your own. After going through this video, you will be able to create images like these with Wan 2.2. Here is another example of a cute bunny. I see no fault in any of the images. They are just perfect. So let's start with the workflow. You can see here that we are using the Wan 2.2 text-to-video model. Wan 2.2 works on two models, a high-noise model and a low-noise model, and these are quantized models. You can pick any quantized version according to your GPU. As you can see, there are several options here. I will provide the link to everything in the description. You can go to this page and select the quantized version you would like to download. I use the Q4KM version according to my GPU, which is a 16GB VRAM GPU, the 5070 Ti. The Q4 version works well for me, so I use this. Similarly, you will have to download the low-noise model as well. You can also download the VAE from here. I have provided the direct download links for all the model resources too. Now, let's get back to the workflow. Coming to the second step, here you can see that we are using latent video as the input. This was originally a video generation workflow before we modified it to generate an image instead. If you set the length of this video to 81, it will create 81 frames that can be used to make a video. With 16 frames per second, that will create a 5-second video for you. In this case, I am storing just an image. How? By selecting the length of this video as just 1. That way, it only creates 1 frame, the initial frame of the video, which we can save as an image. Now coming to the prompts. For example, right now I am using the prompt a 3D cartoon Simpson standing in a street. You will get the prompt, input images and outputs in the link I have provided in the description. Now let's talk about the K samplers. Since we are using two models here, a high noise model and a low noise model, we will need two K samplers, one for the high noise model and one for the low noise model. Remember that the sampler name we are using here is Res2S, which is not available by default in the K sampler of the ComfyUI workflow. To use the same sampler, Res2S, go to the Custom Nodes Manager, search for Res4 Life, and download the one with ID 89. Restart your ComfyUI and you will then be able to select the same sampler that I am using in the workflow. Now let's go ahead and create the image. Here is the output we got. Look at this output. It is so highly detailed and so impressive. The details in the image are excellent. It looks like someone manually worked on this photo to create and edit it. Even the reflections of the streetlight appear on the body of the character. This is really impressive. Although it took a lot of time, for me, about 150 seconds to generate this high-definition photo with the 1.2.2 model, it was worth it. To be honest, when we use LoRa or something similar to speed up the generation, it also downgrades the quality of the image. Sometimes I prefer not to use them and wait for the high-quality result. I am also going to share a video of generating images with 1.2.2 using a Lightning LoRa, which makes image generation much faster. So, you can check that video if you need faster generation with the 1.2.2 model. Do subscribe and engage with the channel so you don't miss anything I post, as it will be useful to you. Now, let's try another generation. This time, let's create an image of a woman to check how good it is for generating images of real people. Here is the output from the Wan 2.2 model. You can see the quality of this image. It looks so good, it doesn't feel like an AI-generated image at all. I don't think anyone can tell this is AI-generated. It looks very real. The texture of the clothes, the reflections of the light, everything looks perfect. And yes, as this is an uncensored model, you can create whatever you imagine. No one is going to stop you. These generations were without LoRa. They are slower, but they are very high in quality. You can also check the video on generating images using the Wan 2.2 model with LoRa for faster generation. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. Do like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.